Good morning, everyone. We're at the Hermanos Ranch hike. So this is a private hike, private land, private ranch. And they only open this once a year, so it's gonna be good. This is our first time doing this hike, so this should be good. Take you to it. Enjoy. Your steps. There's no cows. Usually there's 100 cows in here. Probably put it on the other side of the Grand Avenue. Good hike, great views. See the rest of the horizon. We are stopped and then come back. In Diamond Bar, multi-million-dollar mansions, gated community.